Leida Margaritha, a star of 90 Day Fiancé, and her estranged spouse, Eric Rosenbrook, told the court that she was no longer pursuing a formal separation, Us Weekly can confirm. We acquired the court documents submitted by Margaritha, 36, and Rosenbrook, 47, on Thursday, August 28. On July 28, the pair petitioned the court to dismiss Margaritha's lawsuit. Margaritha and Rosenbrook are listed as having two distinct Wisconsin residence addresses in the documentation. According to the paperwork, the above parties want the case dismissed without further court procedures. In her original filing, Margaritha stated the marriage date is July 8, 2018, as we previously stated. She informed the court that her marriage to Rosenbrook was broken. She said there were too many domestic abuse events. After Rosenbrook was taken into custody for allegedly hitting Margaritha during a fight, as is first reported, she was granted a temporary restraining order against him in July. After police discovered Rosenbrook they arrested him on July 5 as they sought to interview him about the purported assault, a car that was parked. According to authorities, Rosenbrook said that when Margaritha brought up his drinking, he slapped her, as she claimed. Rosenbrook told the police that he could have slapped his wife. According to one court document, Officer Goddard asked if anything physical happened between them. Eric said he might have hit her after a pause. After paying bail, Rosenbrook was freed from jail. Prosecutors formally charged Rosenbrook with battery and disruptive behavior over the incident a few days later. He entered a plea of innocence. Amid their problems, the former partners were coping with a catastrophe. On July 8, the couple's newborn child, a daughter named Elisa, passed away. Taylor Hart, Margaritha's lawyer, informed us that Elisa Rosenbrook, Eric and Leida's daughter, was tragically taken off life support and died on July 8, 2025. Today, we don't know the cause and manner of Elisa's death. Leida is very upset and is still searching for answers for herself. There are numerous allegations of wrongdoing being made against Leida, Hart continued. This is not surprising considering she has suffered years of unwarranted unfavorable publicity and social media buzz after she was featured on 90 Day Fiancé in 2018. Leida would never have hurt her kid, and she vehemently refutes any claims of wrongdoing. We spoke to Rosenbrook about Margaritha's allegations of abuse in her court petition. Rosenbrook insisted that he was never physically, psychologically, or emotionally abusive. He told us, fully supported her in whatever she wanted to do and experience here. Margaritha sought $7,000 in monthly support in her application for a legal separation. She said she was unemployed. Her parents' monthly income of $700 was the only income listed. The former reality star said that she only had $200 in cash, $120 in her savings account, and $500 in her checking account. Margaritha was taken into custody on July 17 for bond jumping. She refuted the allegations and said it was all a mistake. She was freed from jail but given the directive to surrender her passport. In 2018, Margaritha and Rosenbrook appeared for the first time on Season 6 of 90 Day Fiancé. For private assistance if you or someone you know is experiencing domestic abuse, contact the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233.